Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice equation from laws of logarithms. So solve for x, and you have 2 log to base 5 of x plus log to base 5 of 9 all over log to base 5 of 3x is equal to log to base 5 of x. And we're required to solve for x. So because this is a fraction, the first thing you need to do is just get rid of the denominator. And do not cross multiply, because when you cross multiply, you're going to complicate the issue. So what you're going to do is create a term that looks like this in the numerator. So let us do that. So let us write this as 2 log to base 5 of x plus log to base 5, and you can write 9 as 3 squared, and that is over log to base 5 of 3x, which is equal to log to base 5 of x. So now you can apply the third law of logarithms and bring these two before the log, so that you have 2 log to base 5 of x plus 2 log to base 5 of 3, and that is over log to base 5 of 3x, which is equal to log to base 5 of x. So now in the numerator, on the left hand side, you can see that 2 is common. So you can factor it out so that you have 2 into log to base 5 of x plus log to base 5 of 3. And then we still have log to base 5 of 3x, and that's equal to log to base 5 of x. So now, using the first law of logarithms, this is a sum of logs with common bases. So you can write this as a log to base 5 of the product of the numbers there. So it means you can have 2 log to base 5 of x times 3. That is just 3x, and that is over log to base 5 of 3x, and that's equal to log to base 5 of x. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have a similar term in the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel them. So we say this one here once, there one. So what we're left with is 2 is equal to log to base 5 of x. So you can use several methods to solve for x, but in this case, let us write this in index notation, where we take the base, and the base is 5. We take the power is 2, and then that is equal to the number. So it means, therefore, that x is equal to 5 squared, which is just 25. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.